Hey, what's up everyone? It's Elango. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about building wealth and crushing your financial goals. Today we're diving into the top 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're drowning in student loans, tired of the 9-to-5 grind, or just want to launch a side hustle, these strategies can help you start building income streams without even leaving your house. So let's get right to it. First up, we've got freelancing. It's all about leveraging your skills to offer services online. We're talking everything from graphic design, writing, and video editing to programming, marketing, even virtual assisting. If you've got a skill, chances are someone's willing to pay for it. The beauty of freelancing is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy office or a team of employees. It's just you, your laptop, and your hustle. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. You could be living in a small town, but working with clients in New York City, London, or Tokyo. Plus, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from wherever you want. But to really succeed, you need to treat it like a real business. That means setting competitive rates, delivering high-quality work, and building a strong online presence. A killer portfolio is your golden ticket. Deliver exceptional results, get those 5-star reviews, and watch your client base grow. And remember, never stop learning. Stay ahead of the curve by upgrading your skills. Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, hey, I could do that? Well, guess what? You probably can. Content creation has exploded in recent years. We're talking blogs, podcasts, Instagram, TikTok, the list goes on. If you're passionate about something, there's an audience out there for you. But content creation is about more than just hitting record and hoping for the best. To stand out, you need to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Think about it. What problems are you solving? What makes your perspective unique? Once you've got that figured out, it's all about consistency. Post regularly, engage with your followers, and always be on the lookout for new ways to grow your audience. Monetizing your content takes time, but there are several avenues you can explore. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing are all viable options. The key is to choose a niche you're genuinely passionate about. Authenticity shines through. Chapter 3, Sharing is Caring, Online Tutoring for Profit. Are you a math whiz, a grammar guru? Maybe you can explain the intricacies of quantum physics in your sleep. If you've got a knack for teaching, online tutoring might be your calling. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Preply connect you with students of all ages from around the world. You could be teaching English as a second language to students in China, helping high schoolers ace their SATs, or even giving guitar lessons to aspiring rock stars. The demand for online tutoring has skyrocketed in recent years. To succeed, focus on subjects you're truly passionate about and where you can provide the most value. Build a strong online presence, highlight your qualifications, and don't be afraid to niche down. The more specialized your expertise, the more you can charge for your services. Invest in a good quality headset and webcam for clear audio and video. Remember, you're not just sharing your knowledge, you're building connections and making a real difference in people's lives. Chapter 4, E-commerce empire, from dropshipping to handmade. Ever scrolled through Instagram and saw an ad for a product so genius you just had to have it? Or maybe you're more of an Etsy aficionado. Well, guess what? You can be on the other side of that screen, building your own e-commerce empire. Starting an online store is easier than you might think, thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon Handmade. These platforms provide all the tools you need to set up shop, list your products, process payments, and manage your inventory. Dropshipping is a popular option for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to minimize upfront costs. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. If you're more of a creative soul, platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling handmade goods, vintage finds, and craft supplies. The key to e-commerce success is finding a niche you're passionate about and sourcing high-quality products. Do your research, identify trends, and don't be afraid to experiment with different products and marketing strategies. Chapter 5. Investing. Plant your money tree and watch it grow. Let's talk about the long game investing. Investing has become more accessible than ever thanks to apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Zerodha. These platforms have demystified the world of investing, making it easy for anyone to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, even cryptocurrencies. Investing is not about gambling or trying to time the market. It's about putting your money to work for you, so it grows over the long term. Think of it like planting a money tree. You wouldn't dig it up every day to see if it's grown, right? You'd give it time, water it, and let it flourish. Start by investing in what you know. The key is to diversify your portfolio, spreading your risk across different asset classes. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so it's crucial to do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and patience is key. So there you have it, the top 5 proven ways to make money online in 2024. From freelancing and content creation to online tutoring, e-commerce and investing, there's an opportunity out there for everyone. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're already killing it online, share your best tips and tricks with the community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning and keep crushing those financial goals.